can see. So now you can see. Hello friends, so today we have made this 3-in-1 Inspire Award project. So using this project you can sense three things. You can sense alcohol as well using this project. You can sense this perfume as well using this project, and you can sense smoke as well. Like this is the paper we are going to create this smoke. So this project you can create at your home. So let's see how you can make this project at your home. So let me just show you the components we are using in our project. So this is Arduino Uno, as you can see. This is alcohol sensor. This is alcohol. This is buzzer. This is BC547 transistor. This is LED 5mm. This is resistor. This is LCD PCB. So nothing complex, just this potentiometer, 10K potentiometer, and all these are connections. Like this is RS RW. This is power supply connection, and this is D0 to D7 data line. And here you will apply the LCD like this. You can continue without this PCB as well. This is a simple plastic box in which we will fit our circuit. We have done some cutting in the box. This is for LCD, this is for buzzer, and this is for LED indicator, and this is simple for power supply adapter. This is perfume for the sensing, this is the simple paper for smoke, and this is alcohol. So all of these three we are going to sense using our project. This is 12-volt power adapter we are going to use. Now according to circuit diagram we have ready our circuit. So there is simple connection between Arduino and LCD, and then we have connected this buzzer, this alcohol sensor, and this LED indicator with transistor as a driver. BC547 transistor we are using as a driver over here. Now let me just give you the power supply. Now as you can see message on the LCD, sensor value 42 normal. So let me just show you the testing. Now let me show you the message on the LCD. So sensor value, right now you can see that sensor value 28 and it's normal. So let me just show you one testing. Other testing I will show you once the fitting will be done. And so now I am going to sense the alcohol. You can see red LED is glowing, buzzer is beeping, and the value on the sensor over here you can see it was above 250. So whenever value will be above 250, then buzzer will beep like this. This is the buzzer and this is the LED. Now I am going to fit the complete arrangement in the plastic box so that I can show you properly. Now let me fit the components. So this is LED indicator. I am going to fit over here. LED indicator fitted. Now this is buzzer. Buzzer I will fit in this hole. I will apply some glue. This is LCD. I will apply LCD over here, and then we will apply glue. Buzzer and LCD is properly fitted. LCD, LED indicator, buzzer is fitted in this system. Arduino we will leave inside this box. This is power supply connector, and this is alcohol sensor. Now let me just fit it. चलो So now let me show you the working of the project. So first of all we will give the power supply. Now you can see message on the LCD. Message on the LCD, sensor value 134 So it is a little bit fluctuating because there are some fumes in the environment, and it's normal. Right now you can see that it's written normal on the LCD. So let me show you the first of all we are going to detect the alcohol. So this is alcohol bottle. Now you can see on LCD there is some value, but as soon as it will detect the alcohol, so the threshold value is 250. So if the value will go above 250, then it will provide a buzzer beep and the LED indication like this. Now you can see beep is there and the value was very high. You can see again. So this is how it's working. Now let me show you smoke. So this is I'm going to create the smoke. Now you can see. This is smoke detection. Now I'm going to show you the perfume. So this is the perfume. Value आ रही है ना LCD पे भी. So I'm going to take some perfume on my hand. Then I will detect it. Now you can see perfume is detected. As soon as it will go below 250, then it will stop beeping. Now you can see. So this is how this project is working. The data of this project you will find on the blog on circuitsbazaar.com. Over there you will find the circuit diagram as well and the theory and code of the project as well. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section of this video, or you can directly approach me on Instagram. The link is given in the description below. Now one question in this video for you: what is the maximum value this sensor can read? Put your answer in the comment section. So it's time to explain the circuit diagram. So this is your Arduino board. So Arduino board is powered by this 12 volt adapter. The capacity is 12 volt 1 ampere adapter. You can also provide power supply to this Arduino through this USB port as well, because everything in this project is working on 5 volt. Then we have connected this alcohol sensor on A0 pin, VCC and ground. VCC means 5 volt and ground you have given to the alcohol sensor. And then buzzer is connected to pin number 5 and this LED is connected to pin number 6. So all the pin numbers you will find in the programming as well. Now this LCD is connected to pin number 9, 10, 11, 12. It's written over here as well. RS and enable pin is connected to pin number 13. So let's go to the programming. So over there you will find more information regarding pins. Now let me explain the programming of the project. So here we have initialized the LCD libraries. So as I told you in the circuit diagram as well, pin number RS and RW is pin number 3 and 13, and from 9 to 12 is pin number from D4 to D7 of the Arduino. Then red LED is connected to pin number 6 and buzzer is connected to pin number 5. Then smoke sensor is connected to pin number A0. Let me once again show you circuit diagram. Here you can see all the pin numbers are according to the programming. Now threshold value for the sensor is 250. It means whenever the sensor value will go above 250, then in that case it is going to create some type of alert message on the LCD as well, and in the form of audio visual indication as well. Audio means there will be buzzer beep, and visual means there will be red color indicator as well. Now if I come to void setup, then we have defined the input output pins, like the LED and buzzer is output pin, then smoke sensor is input pin. Then we can take the serial output as well. If you don't want to see on the LCD, then you can just directly get the data on the serial monitor of your Arduino IDE.
Then this is the message. This is the simple message, 3-in-1 project. First of all, this message will come on the LCD as soon as you will power up. Then there is delay of 2500, means 2.5 second delay. Then in void loop, you are sensing analog data, smoke A0, which is smoke A0. Smoke A0 is A0 pin. You can see over here. Okay. So you just store this data in a integer value analog sensor. Okay. Now this you are going to directly display on the serial monitor as well. You can see that this is the serial monitor, and then this value you are going to display on the LCD as well. Now here is the main function. So here in this if condition, what you are doing, you are just checking whether the analog sensor value is above 250, because sensor threshold you have defined 250. Here you have defined 250. So if this sensor value is above 250, then in that case what it will do, it will display message on the LCD warning, and also make the red LED high, and buzzer tone it will create a special buzzer tone. Okay. Now in else condition, what it will do, it will means whenever the value is not above 250, means whenever the sensor value is below 250, in that case it will just create no buzzer sound over here. You can see, and display message on the LCD normal, and make the red LED low. So this is very simple program, nothing complex. So you can copy this program from my website, circuitsbazaar.in. In the given description below, you will find the circuit diagram as well, and the code as well, and theory data, everything on my website blog. You can just click on the link given below in this video.